Window installation is a crucial service for homeowners in Hidden Springs ID, ensuring that your home is equipped with the best energy-efficient windows available. Our team specializes in energy-efficient window installation in Hidden Springs, providing solutions that help reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. We also offer expert window replacement Hidden Springs ID services for long-term performance. Energy-efficient windows are a smart investment for any homeowner in Hidden Springs ID. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Our energy-efficient window installation Hidden Springs services ensure that you get the most out of your investment, especially when paired with quality window replacement Hidden Springs ID options. Double-pane windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Hidden Springs ID due to their superior insulation properties. Our double-pane window services Hidden Springs ID offer enhanced energy efficiency and noise reduction, making them an ideal choice for any home looking for reliable window replacement Hidden Springs ID solutions. Window installation services Hidden Springs are essential for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Whether you need window frame installation Hidden Springs or window glass replacement Hidden Springs ID, our team is equipped to handle all your installation needs, including dependable window replacement Hidden Springs ID. Vinyl windows are a durable and cost-effective option for homeowners in Hidden Springs ID. Our vinyl window replacement Hidden Springs services provide a long-lasting solution that requires minimal maintenance, making them a popular choice for residential window replacement Hidden Springs ID and full window replacement Hidden Springs ID services. Custom window solutions Hidden Springs ID offer homeowners the opportunity to design windows that perfectly match their home's style and needs. Our team provides expert window design Hidden Springs and window consultation Hidden Springs ID to help you create the perfect custom windows, complemented by our tailored window replacement Hidden Springs ID recommendations. Window styles Hidden Springs ID vary widely, offering homeowners a range of options to suit their preferences. From traditional to modern designs, our window design Hidden Springs services can help you choose the perfect style for your home, especially when planning window replacement Hidden Springs ID upgrades. Window durability Hidden Springs is an important consideration for any homeowner. Our window contractor Hidden Springs ID services ensure that your windows are built to last, providing long-term performance and reliability alongside expert window replacement Hidden Springs ID service. Home window installation Hidden Springs ID is a critical service for new construction and renovation projects. Our team provides expert window fitting Hidden Springs ID and window consultation Hidden Springs ID to ensure your windows are installed correctly and efficiently, especially when completing window replacement Hidden Springs ID projects. Window installation in Hidden Springs ID is essential for enhancing your home's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Our expert window contractor in Hidden Springs ID specializes in energy-efficient window installation, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. With a focus on double-pane windows and vinyl window replacement, we provide top-notch home window services in Hidden Springs ID, including premium window replacement Hidden Springs ID. For those seeking custom window solutions in Hidden Springs ID, our team offers personalized window design and consultation services. We understand the importance of window measurement and window assessment to deliver the perfect fit for your home. Our window fitting services in Hidden Springs ID guarantee precision and satisfaction, making them ideal for anyone planning window replacement Hidden Springs ID. Window installation services in Hidden Springs are crucial for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. Whether you need window frame installation or window glass replacement in Hidden Springs ID, our skilled technicians are ready to assist. We also offer window sealing services in Hidden Springs to prevent drafts and improve insulation, working seamlessly with window replacement Hidden Springs ID solutions. Window maintenance in Hidden Springs ID is vital for prolonging the life of your windows. Our comprehensive window upgrade services include window caulking, window glazing, and window refurbishment in Hidden Springs ID. These services enhance window durability and ensure your windows remain in top condition, especially after window replacement Hidden Springs ID installations. Understanding window replacement cost in Hidden Springs is important for budgeting your home improvement project. We provide transparent pricing and detailed window consultation in Hidden Springs ID to help you make informed decisions. Explore various window styles in Hidden Springs ID to find the perfect match for your home as you consider window replacement Hidden Springs ID options. Energy-efficient window installation in Hidden Springs not only reduces energy bills but also increases property value. Our residential window replacement services in Hidden Springs ID focus on sustainability and performance. Trust our window contractor in Hidden Springs ID for reliable and efficient window solutions, including expert window replacement Hidden Springs ID. Window insulation in Hidden Springs is key to maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Our window sealing and window caulking services in Hidden Springs ID enhance thermal performance and reduce noise pollution. Choose our window glazing services in Hidden Springs for added protection and style, ideal for homes undergoing window replacement Hidden Springs ID improvements. Window refurbishment in Hidden Springs ID revitalizes your existing windows, giving them a new lease on life. Our window assessment and window measurement services in Hidden Springs ID ensure accurate and effective upgrades. Experience the benefits of modern window design in Hidden Springs with our expert team, including full-service window replacement Hidden Springs ID. For all your window needs, from window replacement to window maintenance in Hidden Springs ID, our dedicated professionals are here to help. Contact us today for a comprehensive window consultation in Hidden Springs ID and discover the best window solutions for your home, including top-quality window replacement Hidden Springs ID options.